Hi, my name is Chen Shin and my matrix number is 200599. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a salinometer. First, let us prepare the ingredients. First, prepare a ruler, a modeling clay, marker, a straw, salt, water, 2 bottles of water, and also a weighing scale. First, before starting the experiment, let's prepare the salt solution. First, let me label the bottle as salt solution, as 10% salt solution. While this will be labeled normal tap water. Then, as you can see, this will be 10% salt solution. Therefore, we need to add salt in it to make sure that the concentration of this water to reach the 10% NaCl concentration. So, let's take our weighing scale and make sure the solution in both containers are the same. Both containers contain the same amount of water, and so we can proceed to the next step, which is adding salt into it. First, let me reset 0 to the container's weight. Now the weighing scale shows 0, so that I can add salt into the container and fill it into the solution. Since both containers contains 300 milliliters of water, therefore to reach 10% salt concentration, I'm going to add 30 milliliters of salt into the solution. Now, we have 30 grams of salt in this container, and it will be added into the 10% salt concentration solution. Now, we have successfully prepared the 2 test solutions required, which is 10% salt concentration solution and also normal tap water solution. So next, let us proceed to making a salinometer. First, we need a modeling clay and a straw. First, let me take out some modeling clay and squeeze it into a ball shape. Make sure there's no air and there's no space in between the modeling clay. So, after squeezing it into a ball shape, take a straw and poke the modeling clay at the end of the straw. Then use your finger to seal the connection between the clay and the straw to avoid air entering the modeling clay. And let me reshape the modeling clay to a more balanced and compact form. And yet, now you have a DIY salinometer. Next, you need to prepare your salinometer and adjust the size of the modeling clay so that when it is put inside the solution, it floats naturally without touching the walls of the container. So next, let us place the salinometer into the water and measure using a ruler and mark the point of the surface of the water using a marker pen. Make sure you straighten and calibrate the salinometer before you do the marking. Then repeat the same step at the salt solution. Next, once again, let's make sure that the point that we have marked on the salinometer is correct. So next, let us take a look at the result. I've placed the salinometer on a piece of white paper so we that clearly see that there is a difference between the density of the water, because when it is salt solution, the salinometer will float higher, and while for water, the water will sink lower, will sink in deeper, the water level will reach higher because the density of water is lower compared to the density of salt. When the water density increases, the salinometer will float higher. That is all from me today. Thank you for watching.